Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to stop Gboard recommending random capitalized word. So first thing, just simply go to the Google Play Store into your device and tap the search icon at the bottom and the search bar. And of course, just simply search for the Gboard. And guys, just make sure you are running the latest version. And when the update is available, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And now, with that said, just simply open the application. And after that, just simply go for the text correction over here, the fourth one. And from here, guys, as you can see, the first category we have is suggestions. So make sure to turn everything off and Gboard will stop recommending random capitalized words. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the others as well. So pretty much you could just simply turn off everything or based on your preferences. And there you go. That's how to stop a Gboard recommending random capital word.